All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the anchor tag. Now, this is one of my favorite tags because this has to do with creating links. Okay, so an anchor tag defines a hyperlink. Okay, so I want you to think about any website that you've been to on the entire World Wide Web. Let's say that you go to google.com. Okay, so let's go to google.com and take a look at this real quick. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about when I'm referring to an anchor tag. Okay, so up here in the upper left hand corner of google.com, you have the about link, right? Okay, so that's an anchor tag. Then you have a store link, that's an anchor tag. Then you have Gmail, images, and then products area, and then down here, advertising, business, how search works, and then another link here. So basically, links are how web pages work. Without links, you can't link to another page. Okay, I equate this to my days in college when I was learning DVD authoring. Now you're going to say, wow, Josh, you're really dating yourself here. And I am for one reason, because DVDs and websites have the same concepts, which means when you create a DVD, you create a menu, and then that goes to a submenu. Well, it's the same thing with websites. You create a navigation, which would be a main menu on a DVD, and then when you click on that page, then there's submenus or sub-navigation or sub-links there so you can easily get around the website. And that's the whole idea of links, is without links, you cannot connect one page to another. So hyperlinks are extremely important, and I'm going to show you exactly why that is in a second here. So I'm going to highlight this. We're going to cut this out with Command X on the Mac, Control X on the PC, and we're going to paste this inside of the body. Okay, and then below that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type out the letter A and then just hit Tab. And you're going to notice some other content here, href. So what this is referring to is it's saying, okay, href, so hyperlink reference or source, where do you want to go? Okay, right now we're not going anywhere with a hashtag. The hashtag is like a broken link or a still link, and I'll show you what I mean by that. If I right click and open in the browser, you get nothing because we didn't put any text in there. Hold on a second. Let's go here and let's do my first link. Okay, and then right click, open that in the browser, and now we're going to get blue text with an underline, and when I hover over it, it shows the hashtag. So it says file user learn tech desktop HTML5 basic tags.html, and then hashtag. So when I click on that, it goes nowhere. Okay, but it highlights the link as if we've selected the link, and now it's always been selected. Okay, which is fine, because what we're going to do is we're going to add something in there. We're going to go to https, okay, / www.google.com, and then we're going to get outside of the quotes and do a target. I hit tab, and we're going to do blank. Okay, now if you don't want to do blank and you want to do a different one, you can do so here's the cool thing too, is that Atom tells you what each one of these does. Okay, so top, let's click on more. It's going to take me to Mozilla and explain to me what these do. Okay, so I know what they do, but I want to give you a definition. Okay, so self, the current browsing context. Blank, usually a new tab, but users can configure browsers to open a new window instead. Parent, the parent browsing context of the current one, if no parent behaves as self. Top, the topmost browsing context, the highest context that's an ancestor of the current one, if no ancestors behaves as self. So I'll show you what the differences are real quick. So let's just do blank first. Let's copy this, and then let's paste it on line 39 so we have enough space here. We'll call it my second link, And then we'll change this from blank to just do an underscore and then do parent. And then paste it again on line 41. And instead of blank or parent, let's do self. And we'll call this my third link. And then on line 43, let's paste again. And let's change this to top. And then we'll do my fourth link. Okay, now when I right click and open in the browser, we can see what each one of these will do. Okay, so the first one is the blank, right? So when I click on that, it opens a new tab. Okay, when I do the second one, which is a parent, okay, it opens it in the same tab. Okay, so it depends on what the experience is that you want to give the user. That's why I'm showing you this. The third link, which is self, if I click on that, it's going to open in the same tab. Okay, and the fourth link is top. If I click on that one, it opens it in the same link. Sorry, the same tab. So the only one that is different is the first link, which is underscore blank. So if you want your web pages to open up in a separate tab, use blank. If you want them to open up in the same tab, you can use parent, self, or top. Okay? So that is the anchor tag, which defines a hyperlink, and there you go. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.